Hello, this is Isaac, Senior Systems Administrator, Kabale University. We are going to look at how we access AIMS and use AIMS, which is commonly known as the Students Portal for students. So we go to our browser. In the browser, we type student.cap.ac.ug. We get this interface. So on that window, we are supposed to put in our login details. For all students who are new, the login details are your registration number as the username and also as the password. So the password and the username, or we use the registration number. In this case, I copied this registration number and pasted it here. This is for first time access. So you say login. Here we are supposed to put our full name to verify. For example, Moronji Emily. Okay. We look at this information and verify if it is the right information. So once it is the right information, we say yes. So we have now activated our accounts, or what we call our portal. So after activation, we are supposed to log in with a new password. So here we are going to change the password. So we enter the new password. For example, I enter the new password here, and the new password, I repeat it there. So the password you enter here is supposed to be the same password we enter here. We say change password. Password changed successfully. Okay. So we now log in with our new password. The username can either be the student's number or the registration number. Either can work. So you can record this one. In this case, this is the student number. What you get at this stage, it is the student number, you can keep it. Or you can use the registration number there. So we enter the new password and log in. We have successfully activated the account and changed the password. Next step is to enroll, and this interface is for enrolling. So here we select new student, year 1, and we click enroll. After enrolling, this one is destructive. We usually don't do anything with this pop-up. We close it. So we update with these details. For example, I may put a phone number. Update. So we are into our portal now. Here we have enrolled. So this is how our portal looks like. You can appreciate the dashboard. These are various things we do on our portal. But to start with, we need to pay. To pay, we come here, get payment reference. Then we can choose to pay order amount. If you want to pay order amount, you choose the first option here. So this is the invoice we have. You can choose to pay order amount. Or you can choose to pay part of the amount if we have half. So if we don't have full amount, we use this option. Here, for example, it is a requirement that we pay 50% for both functional fees and tuition before we register. So we use this option to pay 50% of each of the invoice before we register. For example, here can pay at least 50%, that is 50% or more, maybe 415,000. So we put the amount we want to pay on this invoice and the amount we want to pay on this invoice. Maybe if you want to pay 230,000, that is more than 50% of this invoice. The total is 645. We say generate payment reference. The payment reference is generated here. So in this case, we can choose to pay via mobile money, or we pick out this reference number, we move to the bank agent or to the banking hall itself and do the payment. If we choose to pay via mobile money, we choose this option, via mobile money. Then when we click here to initiate payment, it will take us when I click here, this is a network error. Yes, bad network. You can choose to use another number here. It is also okay. Put another number, even 04-992-186. Initiate payment. If this is, for example, is the number of the parent will get a pop-up to input the PIN and the payment will be complete. Alternatively, we can go to generate a payment reference. Then I would like to pay all the amount. Then you choose first option here. The reference is here. Pick the reference, go to the bank or bank agent and do the payment. Or choose mobile money if you have the money on mobile money. We are done with payment. After payment, we are supposed to register. Where do we go? We come here, self-registration. Then we click on register now. This error message is coming because I didn't do the payment for all the fees or at least 50%. If we had paid, we're supposed to proceed and register like that. After registration, can go to module or the take registration. Here we register excess modules that we are doing, which we didn't choose. The other side, for example, here we can, if I'm a student doing fundamentals of archaeology, I can select this. I've selected the course that I want to do or that I'm studying for this semester. Then click on this arrow, then as normal. The same applies to this, as normal. I select a third course, this drop down as normal. Select another one, drop down as normal. If I realized maybe I've made a mistake, I wasn't supposed to enroll for this course, I select it, register. Select this one, register. Select it, deregister. Select, deregister. So this is how we enroll or de-enroll from the course in AIMS. We can look at our results. When results come, you can check the results from here. Click here. It is when they tell us at the end of the semester that our results have been uploaded. We can update our biodata. We need to update our biodata with a phone number or the email that we have. So we come to here, verify contact info. Then we put in the contact. If there was an error on the contact, put in the right contact and update. You can put the email and update. So successfully updated. So that's how we navigate the students portal, or what we call AIMS. You might you might forget the password. What do we do? It means when you forget the password, you come here and you want to log in, you put the reg number here, and I want to log in, put in my password, hit misbehaving. Let's go back. I've forgotten the password. Come back stuff. Student.com.ac.ug. Put the reg number, the password, login. Login failed. Credentials are unknown. So this implies that you have forgotten the password. What do? You got forgot password. Welcome. So at this interface, we put the user ID or the registration number here below. And you say continue. The password recovery token has been sent on your email. It is either sent on the email or on phone as a message. So I go to my email, go to your phone, and get the recovery token. Go to your email or phone, retrieve the recovery token. Retrieving the token. You have the token. So I come here, put my user ID, which is the registration number, and the password recovery token, which is B5, it is case sensitive, B54, B6, B3, B6, continue. Which must meaning there is another created token. Okay, we get another token. When we get this, we can come back here to get another token. So another token has come in. So I put in this token 8363C62. So this is system case sensitive. This should be uppercase 8363 D3C62. Cover token successfully verified. You may now enter the new password you want to use. So enter the new password, confirm, set account. I've set my password. Let me see if I can log in with my new password. Login. Success. That's all. Thank you.